What is up, you guys? Ashley here with AHM Artistry, and I'm so excited to share with you guys this dupe. Oh my goodness, dupe alert, dupe alert. This goddess palette over here is supposed to be a complete dupe for the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. And not only is it an affordable dupe for Natasha Denona, which is $129. I just looked up how much the price is and it was loading on my screen while I talked. I did not realize $129 Natasha Denona for an eyeshadow palette. Okay, well, this one is $16 and it's also cruelty free. We're gonna be testing it out today. We're gonna be doing this eye look that you see right here. We're gonna talk specifications, swatches, all that fun stuff that you know I like to do, and we're gonna jump into that. And if you are new here and you just stumbled upon my face for the first time and you haven't seen me and you're like, why is this girl yelling at me? Well, I'm super excited about makeup. I love makeup. I love beauty products. I have so much fun and I just wanna share the love and talk about my favorite stuff with you guys. And if you wanna be notified when I post new videos, all you have to do is go down there, hit that little red subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post, which is at least 3 times a week. Anyways, we're gonna talk palette. We're gonna be doing a little eye tutorial. We're gonna be doing swatches and all of that jazz. And if that all sounds good and dandy to you guys, well, then you know what to do. Sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Alright, so specifications. Yes, so I literally just looked up how much the gold palette was. I thought Natasha Denona, I get mixed up between Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath because they're both a very high-end, very expensive products. $129. I love makeup, all kinds of makeup. I have high-end, I have drugstore, all of that. $129. Too much for me. Your girl over here would not be buying that. I just can't. I just don't. If you love it, you guys do you. If you love your Natasha Denona palettes, you do you. I'm not gonna rag on it. It's just not for me. It's just not the price point that I want. I will make do with other things. So when Alter Ego sent me this dupe for the gold palette, I was like, wow, she is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't have the gold palette, obviously. We went into that just now, so I can't compare that for you, but there are some people that have already compared swatches, and you guys, it looks identical, but does it perform well? Well, this is actually the second video of me using it. I did it first for like a kind of naturally look, and now full disclaimer, I was trying to do a natural look, but it did heavily go into the golds because it is a gold palette. So a lot of these are duochrome, like you'll see this one right here. It looks totally neutral shimmer in the pan, but it shifts gold, which is gorgeous. But just know that going into that these palettes are very lean on the golden side. Like even these ones right here kind of like are a goldeny brown, almost like a yellowy kind of undertone, that kind of warmth. So I'm loving it though. It's so pretty. Retails for $16. I do have a code with Alter Ego, but you guys don't have to use it. It saves you a little bit. I'll drop it down in the description box, and you guys are more than welcome to. If this palette does interest you, I mean, by all means, save some coin, but it is an affiliate code. It doesn't deter me from giving my honest opinion. I can tell you that right now. So feel free to use it if you want. Don't if you don't want to. Whatever you want to do, boo, you do you. A little bit about the packaging. Now, I reviewed the Temptress palette that Alter Ego first launched with a couple months ago. My personal only like issue that I had with it is the packaging was just kind of like meh. It's just like kind of, it looks like an affordable palette in like the not the right way, if that makes sense. I mean, it's not plastic or anything. It comes with a mirror. It was like almost there, but it was just too flat and just, it didn't have that pizzazz. However, the shadows performed really well. They swatched well, they performed well, they were pigmented, they blended. I love it. As you can see, it's actually pretty well used now, and I thought they did a really good job. So when they told me that, hey, we're coming out with this, it's gonna be a better packaging, a better upgrade, I was super excited for that, as long as they kept the formulas really well, and the outer packaging is almost exactly the same as the actual palette, and it has not only the names on the back, but the names are printed on. I'm so glad that they kept the names printed on underneath the shades because I hate having to flip over. So that is really good that the names are on underneath each shade. Great mirror, great size, velvety matte finish, but it has this like metallic-y glossy overlay that's really cool, and I just love that, you guys. If you're new to my channel, then you don't know how much I love soft touch matte packaging. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I'll show you some swatches and then we're gonna jump into this eye tutorial, okay? Oh my goodness. Wow, that is Artemis. That is so beautiful. This one's Athena. So they're all Greek goddess names, obviously. Oh my goodness, Pandora. That is so smooth, wow. And Iris. My pinky always gives the most pitiful swatches from my pinky. It's so little. Let me put another side right there. So that one's a nice transition shade, definitely. Aura, wow. Hera, oh, no wait. Sorry, I mixed these up. That one is Aura, this one is Lisa, I switched them up, sorry. Hera, ooh. And Valkyrie, whatever, wow. Oh my goodness. Gaia, I'm so bad at Greek names. Venus, wow. Rhea, put a little layer of that one. Oh my goodness. Going on my wrist here. Whoa, look at that one, Luna. Avalon. And Cassandra. Whoa, look at Cassandra. That is so shifty and beautiful. Wow, so that's the whole palette swatched for you guys. Swatched like butter, quite frankly. Super nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's put this on my eyeballs already. Let's do this. All right, so I already did my brows and primed my eyelids, of course, with my Frankie Rose I Promise Eye Primer. Now to set my base, I'm actually gonna go in with the Alter Ego Temptress palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here called Lace. Great brow bone shade, but there's not really a brow bone shade for me in this palette. This one looks like it probably on camera, but it's super duper shimmery, super duper shimmery. I used it in that other video. So I just like to set underneath my brows. Right now, let's dive right into this palette. So I'm gonna go in with, oh my goodness, I'm so bad at Greek names. I'm gonna go in with Gaia. Sorry, I'm really bad. I'm really bad at those names. I'm gonna take it on this little flat packing brush, place it right on the, on my face, all over my face. Oh, okay, pigment. Whoops-a-daisy. Clean that up later, whatever. Good thing I haven't done my face yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right on to the outer corner of my eye. Wow, that packs a punch. Woo, that's beautiful. I'm gonna take it kind of at an angle a little bit. And then right over here too, little angle. Dude, I am barely tapping and it's just sticking on so well. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna clean up the edges with a makeup wipe when we're all done here, so don't worry about it. I didn't want to do my face makeup yet for that reason. Also, when I'm testing new eyeshadow palettes, I tend to definitely save the base for last. Base for last. Wow. Wow! Okay, wow pigment. Okay, let's go in with a thin brush for this one. Let's go in with the BH Cosmetics Rose Romance. A crease brush is number 6, a little bit smaller than some fluffy brushes. I'm gonna very lightly tap into that same green shade, tap off the excess, and just start blending that. Wow, that shade is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Well, holy gee willikers, Batman. That is pigmented. I went in very little strokes, very gently, because if I be whipping around my brush, I'm gonna be all green on my face. This is pigmented and beautiful. Wow, okay. All right, let's move on to the next shade. Let's go in with, oh man, that's hard decisions. Hard decisions. I feel like, and I could be wrong, but I feel like Athena could be really cool on the inner corner blended area, and then I'm gonna do a little halo because this palette needs a halo, quite frankly. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with this little angled brush to really get in there. Wow, that has a lot of pigment too. Congratulations! Wow. Just gonna bring it around here and then I'm gonna blend the green. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little Sigma E25, it's like a flat blending brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade, tap off the excess, and buff that out too. Now I'm gonna go in a little bit of the green and blend those two together right just there. Little tiny bit. I don't want to muddy it up, so I'm just gently going in, doing little strokes. Very tropical. Those are blending in real cool. Okay, super, super cool. Yes! That's really neat. Okay, let's do the lower lash line before we go in with the halo. Do the same thing, but on the lower lash line, same exact thing. Blend the edges out a little bit. Don't worry too much because you don't have to blend it again after you do your face makeup if you're doing it the same way I am. Coolness. Okay, let's go in now with cut creasing. Well, halo, spotlight, whatever, thingy-majig. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Put some on the back of my hand. Go on with this little mini concealer brush. This one's from BH Cosmetics Rose Romance set as well. And I like to look forward, but like kind of down, like tilt my head back, but look forward. And put it right above my pupil. You can tap out the sides. All right, now on top of the concealer that we laid down, I want to put in Cassandra because you guys, it swatches like green. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. I don't know if I need to lay down a color first, so let's just try going in with just that. Pressing it on. Oh wow, that's so neat. Okay, so I have an idea. I'm going to do just the middle like that, and then on the sides let's do the coordinating shimmer shade. So let's take Artemis, this green shifty one, put it right here. I should do reverse. Wait a second, should I do reverse? Will that be too cuckoo? Let's do reverse actually. Let's do it. Feeling crazy. Feeling crazy. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful shade. Look at how glittery that is. Wow, okay, that's really cool. Wipe off my brush. Now let's take, what would be the closest? I think Venus. Oh yeah, that is this one's shimmer sister for sure. Okay, now, because I want that middle shade to like really blend in, I'm gonna take it on my finger, Cassandra, that light green shade, and tap it into the middle and blend it into those shades just so it all like blends and like illuminates. Whoa, that's really shifty and cool. Wow, okay. Now I'm gonna make sure that these shades over here are nice and blended. Not too crazy, I mean, we want to be reasonable here. Wow, I'm loving this. It's totally different. I know it's not for like everybody's everyday wear, but it's cool. Wow. I'm gonna take a little bit of Athena, make sure that's blended. I need a smaller brush for that. On the bottom, I don't have as much space, obviously, and you won't be able to see all the little tiny differences of color, so I'm just gonna go in with Cassandra on my lower lash line in the middle for the little halo spotlight situation. And then with my pinky now, because it's nice and little, pop in. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. There's just so many looks you can do with this. Like, look at how you look at this and you see neutrals and greens. Okay. But you can come up with this like crazy intense eye look, or you can go with something natural and neutral like I did in the first video I used this. So I love palettes that are that versatile. And honestly, I didn't know it was this amazing until I was swatching some of the other shades last night, and I was like, I have to put Cassandra on my eye because that shiftiness is so cool. Wow, okay, I'm in love. All right, okay. So there's that. Let's do some liner. I think I'm gonna go with the NYX Slide On Glide On, and this is in the shade Esmeralda because hello, it's super green. And let's do a few liners. Let's get crazy. Let's get wild. I'm feeling spicy. Let's go in right here where the other green is. Just create that like blend into the other shades, you know? Oh, that's cool. But it's like a little lighter, so it's like popping. I have yellow. well, that might be too much. Let's do this nude shade in the middle. This is the Makeup Geek nude. I always feel like that makes my halo like really pop on the bottom lash line. I don't want to go with straight up yellow. That's too intense, too intense. No. Let's put that old records on the shelf. So random. Oh, I should put this one. This is the Urban Decay Stardust. I should throw a little on there too. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. But I still don't know what to do in the inner corner. Let's try, and then I can mute it with brown if it's too intense. Let's try the LA Girl Shockwave in something. Screamin'. Let's go in with this brown one. Yeah, that's good. Then it kind of mixed the two. So the brown and the yellow kind of make this brown yellow. Wow, profound. Okay, I'm gonna go do my lashes. I'm gonna try to figure out what lashes will be good with this. I won't take away from the halo. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup too, and then we're gonna wrap up this puppy. Oh, be right back. All right, I'm back, and if you think that I forgot inner corner highlight, well, you're right, I totally did. So let's do inner corner highlight really quickly. I'm gonna use the Freya shade in this palette. It's like a very shimmery, shifty, white kind of color. Oh goodness, wow, okay, and now the look will be complete. After I did my face makeup, I went in and like fine-tuned a couple little things, blended out the lower lash line too, but that is it. Oh, that just is amazing what inner corner highlight can do. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? All right, so this is the completed look, all done and all finished. What are you guys thinking about that pigmentation? What are you thinking about that blendability? All I have to say is wow. Okay, I have to say more than that, but for a $16 eyeshadow palette, this is performing beautifully. That pigment, oh my gosh, let's talk about that green. Hello, only a little tiny bit tapped and oh my goodness, beautiful. But not only that, it blended out beautifully. Everything blended together and they didn't get muddy. Granted, I was going very itty little bit to make sure it didn't get too muddy, but it looked so beautiful, and these shimmers are so duochrome and so beautiful. I quite frankly cannot wait to play with this palette some more, and I can't wait to see what else Alter Ego comes out with, because so far their formulas have been amazing. I think this packaging is a big upgrade from the Temptress palette. Okay, that is it for today. If you are new here and you just stumbled upon my face and you haven't subscribed yet, well, you might as well just go down and hit that little red subscribe button if you made it this far, because come on, you know you want to see more. I post at least 3 times a week and I just have so much fun creating for you guys, and we can chit chat down in the comments now and have some fun. And thank you all so much for watching, so much, and I hope that every single one of you out there have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, goldeny, beautiful, oh my gosh, this is like snake vibes and I love it, day.